Hello, 𝘾𝘼𝙍𝘾𝙃. This is 𝘾𝙊𝙉𝙍 with Vicky Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside, and I am going over the 2024 March because I was gone for 2 weeks. I went to Europe. Still worked because I have to as a realtor, but I still got a nice vacation in as well. So I'm sorry I'm behind. Next week I'll get the Aprils out as well. So in March, I noticed that we had a little typo in here as well. So go to March. The top is 2023. I like to have them for comparison purposes for everyone. So in March, the average price was $277,560 compared to, we're down from 2023 at $294,537. But this average I wanted to share with you is, see, on January, that was not the average price. It was high, but it wasn't that high. So I'm going to have that corrected for when I do it next week. It's actually $386,897 was the average in January. So we're going back up from February, just a little bit at a time. Okay, average days on market, we're up a little from March of 2023 at 130. Average price per square foot, we're up at 145 compared by $2. Months of supply, about the same. They're still building out in Conway, 29527. A little bit more on the active listings, 136 compared to 127, 67 pending, compared to 45, 36 compared to 48. Well, so with all that being said, it's, as you know, there's a lot of new construction going on, but if you are looking for a home that is not new construction and you need some really good financing, please call me. I'd love to help you out, show you some homes, and get you in touch with my lender, who is offering anybody that I work with up to 5 years total refinancing, which is perfect because sooner or later after the election, our mortgage rates will go down. They were supposed to have gone down before that, but of course, as you know, that never happened. It's always games when it comes to elections. So with that being said, if you'd also like to sell your home, give me a call. I'd love to come out and view it in person with you and let you know what's selling in your neighborhood and comparable neighborhoods. I've been doing this for 24 years now, and I'd love to help. Please give me a call, 843-222-7800. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.